It's late in the studio, but the magic of Christmas is coming to life. Meet Cinnabon, my festive gingerbread character who's taken over my planner stickers and this channel for the last few weeks. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 8. For the last few days I've been uploading shorts as part of Vlogmas and trying to juggle the business around my full-time job. I've got a market coming up and I'm heading up to visit some family before Christmas, so there's lots to do around this video. So this is slightly different than the original design that I popped up on the website. I have added some holly and just changed the display a little bit to make enough room for the outside of each of the stickers and just make sure it's properly filled out. So let's cut. Studio. It is 6:10 and I am printing my new version of Cinnabon Does Christmas stickers. There they are there, printing. Can't wait to see how they turn out. Now let's make a mug together. We're going to retry the Christmas mug from a couple of weeks ago. I have something in mind. I want to see if it'll work and try a different version of the pattern. Okay, now we're printing the darker shade of beige to see if it will come out stronger on the sublimation paper. Just going to choose ceramic. I'm going to go for mug and sorry. I think we should be good to print. Now I've just got the original one here that I want to print. You can't really see it in this light, but it is beige in the background. Let me turn the light on and see if that helps make a difference. So we have you can see this has got a much more of a background than this one. They're both pretty light, but I think it might be worth just pressing them and seeing which one looks better.
Is very big because my cutting mat, usually my sewing machine's there, but I've expanded to also having this table right here, which I need to tidy up a bit, but I will just have candles all here with a wax warmer in this corner and then fill the vessels over here. These are some.
So I had another go at printing the mug. It's really hard to see on the camera. You can just about see the line, the colour difference, but I don't think it worked out very well because it feels a little bit faded at the bottom on the puddings at the bottom. So yeah, this would have to be a second mug, but otherwise it looks great. Just looks a little bit lighter and sometimes hard to tell if it's printed all the way. Thank you for taking the time to join me in today's vlog. If you haven't already, please do subscribe and share this vlog with a friend that you think may be interested or inspired. And until next time, stay creative and curious.